Oh, hello everybody. My name is Shruti. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another vlog. And today's vlog is very special because this vlog is all about my engagement preparation, what happened behind the scene. And right now my sister is imitating me that I'm vlogging. So we are now heading to the venue. I am in my hometown. It's been 2 days I'm here. My engagement is in 2 days and it is really hitting me crazy right now. I'm really losing my shit and my sister is trying to gather me all together and put me and make me just a calm bride that I'm really not. So how
Good that you accepted.
yeah, I accept it. I accept the facts. It's okay. It's a little late realization, but still I accept it. So we are straight. Now we are on the way to the venue. That's my brother Vinay, and you know her already, Kusum. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what are we up to with respect to decoration and everything. I'll try to vlog there, and this is a really random vlog of behind the scenes of my engagement. I had to really start vlogging. I was really busy doing everything which is important, which is not important, and not vlog. That is really not good. So today's the day that I picked up my camera and we are doing it. We are in the venue already and let's get started with today's vlog. So, hello Kusum. This is my venue. It has two entrances. This one is the bigger entrance. That is where we're gonna enter. And it has another entrance from there. The view. We have mountain view. Yeah, I'll show you guys nicely. It's there. Showing it in a wide angle right now. So this is the place I'm getting engaged to the man of my dreams, and that is like a dining hall, and it's a little, wider property like this. This property comes with a mountain view. We have Kappadgudda over there, which is a very beautiful mountain, and it's just so beautiful and very calm. Not much people live here, so this is how beautiful my property looks like, and that's how I enter with my Praveen, my fiance, and I'm really excited. Let me take you guys along with me. Okay, that's my dad. So this is the stage. So this is a seating area and this is gonna be my stage. It is very huge. I don't know how we get the decoration done over here. I've been given my decoration samples to them. I'm already done with finalizing. I think they might use one of these also for me. Don't have much idea. The best part about this is it has all the speakers all aligned and decoration sorted. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. And if it rains, they have these curtains which will help us. So this is the lawn area wherein they have some decorations going on here also. So this is a lawn area. I can use it for my photo shoot as well. Oh, so this is the first time my family is visiting this property. It was me and my dad finalized this property, and I had already spoken about the kind of a decoration I need, where people will be entering from, what kind of a carpet I want. I am a very specific bride and I am paying a premium amount, so I wanted to make sure that everything works out in my favor in a very natural way. So here I am discussing what exactly the timing for the guest, where we will be making sure the guests are accommodated. I have booked around 5 rooms apart from mine and my groom's green room, and was asking about some security questions like how we are taken care, what kind of a restriction we have, if any. And this property had non-veg restriction because there is this one tree which is prayed inside this property. So I was very particular to not to get any non-veg or any alcohol in this property, and I'm glad that it was there. And we are just talking about the do's and don'ts so that we make the most out of this timing. If we can make it at 9, it will be great because that will be a first impression. I never met anybody apart from my family. So done with all the talking parts and getting the final approval part. I have to yet to finalize how my nameplate's gonna look like, and the entry and everything is planned. And I think I've done a very good job from designing to the venue to really signing up the things and everything. So I'm very excited, and this is the dining hall. This will be my dining hall, and that will be my main hall. And this is how the another entrance looks like. And this is a pond. There's a small temple over here where there's a Ganesha temple, and here also there's one pond. And initially I had thought that we'll have our engagement here and have a dining hall set up over here, but it might rain any time, so I'm doing it inside the main hall. So done with all the discussion, heading home, and I'll be back here as a bride. Let's see what my family says. So, what's the honest view, guys? How did you like the place and the planning part and everything?
It's a beautiful hall. Hi, Jay.
Short and sweet.
Correct. It's a short and sweet. It's a beautiful one. You liked it?
How did you find it, Bhatta?
How didn't you find it?
Full R&D. I have never seen such a thing in tier 2 cities. How did you find it?
I just found it.
How?
I researched a lot.
I am still not believing that you found it in such a small city. This many features plus lots of customization plus it's everything. Whatever you are saying, they're like fine.
Yeah, that was my view. Like, because I am getting engaged here and I'll not be here. I am entirely in Bangalore. I know I wanted somebody to take these things entirely so that it is less burden to daddy. But I think I've increased the burden by doing some or other thing. But yeah,
That is complimentary anyhow.
So I think it's a good thing. How did you like it?
Lovely place.
Lovely place.
Lovely place?
Lovely place, lovely maintenance, I would say.
Only
Getting a
service.
place is
We hope
okay,
you will
but
get a good service over there.
Yeah.
no, I
Wow,
think
we're expecting the good service from them.
Yeah,
Oh.
we are in good hands, no need to worry. But still, we'll have some or other thing to get worried about. What do you say? Lovely place to get married.
Your worries won't end even if your engagement is done. I
Yeah.
hope
I think
so. Right
the
after
process-
your engagement, you will be worried about your marriage. Right after your marriage, you will be worried about
Wait,
your
I think right after my engagement, you'll be worried about planning. Hey.
almost worried all the time.
So I think the marriage worries won't be stopping anywhere. The people who are doing the arrangements, I don't know how everybody took care of everything, but now I really feel that I've grown up. I've grown up completely.
I'm worried about Jiju.
Same, Pap, that guy.
Such a gentleman he is.
He's a lovely person. So we have booked the stay here. The stay for my fiancés and my friends is around 2 kilometers from the venue, and that is also, and it's less than 2 kilometers, and that's also very sorted. It's just one straight road, and yeah, that payment is also. I have done the payment. I have to do payment for that. I paid advance for here again. I have to. And my total limit for on PhonePe is reached for today, and I'll be doing the rest of the pay tomorrow. And in 2 days, I'll have only little money left in my bank account, like very little money left in my bank account.
Papa is there to handle.
Papa is there to handle. I know, but my bank account will look so bad after 2-3 days. Yeah, I'll just ignore it
I
for a
guess
few
you
months.
will be in a joint account after that. having a joint account.
That's right. After marriage, I'll have a joint account, or I can have it now also, no problem.
Just I want to see the figure.
No, right after seeing this video, I think Jiju will be handovering his account to you. I guess he will be joining you in his account. ले माँ शुरुती लाई खर्चो चे लाई आई चे ले त्रास.
Okay. We reached home and we'll have a quick lunch, and then we'll go for some jewelry shopping.